assist the couple in recovering their life.
Karong adlaw, my heart is overflowing with joy as I stand here to celebrate the wedding of my youngest son. Sugat sa pagkabata niya, I have prayed for him, guided him, and watched him grow into the man he is today. Char.
Char.
O karon, makita na ko nga musulod siya sa kaminyokon, I can only thank God for his faithfulness. Marriage is a gift from the Lord sa Biblia, giingon sa Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verses 12. A cord 3 strands is not quickly broken. Anak ti mani, yun kami niyoon, dili lang kamo duha, kamo ang imong asawa, kundi